Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to separate copper from wire. This simple guide will help you reclaim valuable copper from various types of electrical wiring. We'll focus on a manual, easy-to-follow process that requires just a few basic tools you likely already have. Recovering copper is not only a great way to recycle, but it can also be quite profitable. Let's dive in and get started on this practical project together. Before we begin, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a sharp utility knife or, even better, a specialized wire stripping tool for optimal results. Don't forget a pair of durable work gloves to protect your hands from cuts and abrasions. Also, set up a stable, flat work surface, like a workbench or sturdy table, to ensure safety and make the stripping process much easier. Having everything ready saves time and effort. Now for the main event, stripping the wire. First, take your utility knife or stripping tool and carefully make a shallow cut along the length of the wire's outer insulation. Be sure not to cut too deeply and damage the copper inside. Once the insulation is scored, you can usually peel it back with your fingers or pliers, revealing the shiny copper strands. Then, simply pull the bare copper free from the plastic casing. Repeat this for all your wires. Safety is paramount when working with sharp tools. Always wear sturdy work gloves and consider eye protection to shield yourself from any flying debris. Take your time and work slowly. Rushing can lead to accidental cuts. For larger volumes of wire, investing in a dedicated wire stripping machine can save you hours of manual labor and increase efficiency significantly. Remember, a safe worker is a happy and productive worker. Happy stripping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.